Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and you're absolutely going to love today's topic because I got a question for you. Are you hateful or grateful? So you as a real estate agent, I want you to think for a minute of all of the people that you meet. Would you consider yourself hateful or grateful towards the general population that you meet with? I'll tell you how this came about, by the way. An agent had a tremendous breakthrough this week, and I think it's going to help you with a breakthrough as well. So I just finished up, actually I just got home today from our coaching retreat, our semi-annual coaching retreat. We have agents that fly in from all over the country. I checked my email this morning and heard from an agent that had a major breakthrough, and I think this can be a big breakthrough for you as well. So I want to describe to you what happened. The agent, it's a male agent, a gentleman. He told me, he said, usually when I see agents that are very successful, I hate on them. I'm mad at them. I think they have something that I don't have. They have an advantage I don't have. They have capital. They have a rich wife that's funding them. They have whatever. And more importantly, they don't understand my position, so I don't relate with them at all. But while he was at the coaching retreat, we've created a little community with each other, right? So not only are we in class all day, but we have group lunches where we have 10 people at a round table, and you get to learn from other people there. And he said, because this gentleman's in our family, because he's in our community, I genuinely wanted to learn from him. I was actually happy. I was grateful that he's become successful. And I realized that I wanted to learn from him rather than hate on him. And the email specifically said, many times I think that successful people don't understand me. And I realized in this case, I needed to understand him. The more I could understand him and how he's making his money, the better off I'm going to be in growing my real estate business. So he sat there and he was genuinely happy for an agent that's doing really well. And more importantly, he was inquisitive. He was asking questions. How do you do that? When you first started, were you struggling? Did you have debt problems? Were you over the limit on your credit card? And I'm kind of ad-libbing the things that he emailed me here, but he realized that it's better for him to understand those that are successful rather than being mad at those that are successful, thinking they don't understand his problems or he has real world problems or you don't understand why he's not being successful. He realized he needs to understand how to become successful. So I ask you today, would you consider yourself hateful or grateful? If you're hateful, you're accidentally sabotaging your own success. Whereas if you're grateful, if you're truly, genuinely happy when you see someone else is doing well, if you're happy for them, you will honestly and authentically befriend them. And it's pretty good to have some friends that are doing well, doing exactly what you want to do. So a lot of the agents I meet with in the community that we've set up, we had hundreds of agents fly in from all over the country. They're learning from each other. When you check out some of our trainings, many of you know on a lot of my videos, I talk about that 40-minute training video we have. You can get details on that at getfastclosings.com. I wish I knew how to do one of those little shiny things on my teeth. You can get details at getfastclosings.com. Ding! But if you do that, you'll find that it's incredibly helpful on, holy crap, I can build my business with totally free marketing. I don't need to spend $2,000 on postcards or sales letters. I can do free stuff to grow my business. The reason for that is if you're grateful, if you're thankful, if you want to learn from those that are successful out there, you can copy their approach. So, moral of the story today, I want you to think at all times when you see people that are successful, are you mad at them because they're successful? Are you hating on them because they don't know how hard you have it? They don't know how bad you struggle. They don't know what the tough life is. They don't know what it's like when a deal's falling apart and it's the only deal you have. Or are you grateful, happy for them, and want to learn from them? So think about that in your own real estate business, and more importantly, your day-to-day practices. Are you involved in a community where people are happy for each other and they share those details? He said the biggest breakthrough I got was because I was happy for that guy and I befriended him. He was totally approachable. He was totally helpful. He shared some of his best ads and scripts and what he does, and more importantly, the type of clients he's not working with. So be grateful, and I think you'll find that'll make a big, big difference for you as well. Get more details on a little bit of that free training and some of the stuff you can do to grow your business. Don't go to that website unless you have 40 minutes available, because it's going to start a countdown of 5 minutes to get your camera and your note paper and things ready. But it's at getfastclosings.com, and I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful. So think about this for a minute. Tomorrow, are you going to be hateful or are you going to be grateful? If this rings true for you, if this is something that's helpful for you, like this video. I want you to like this video and make sure you're following our page as well. I'll have a message for you every day. I literally flew all night long on a red eye, which was a delayed red eye, horrible turbulence, which means you're getting no sleep, coming home early in the morning, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, get home, and then my coaching calls start. I go all day long. So I'm incredibly tired, but here's the thing. Our community needs these kinds of messages. They need to know how they should be thinking every day to create success for themselves. Success leaves clues, but I got news for you. Failure leaves clues too. Right? If you do what people that are failing are doing, you too will fail. I will assure you, if you hang out with druggies, you will become a druggie. But if you hang out with a community of helpful real estate agents that are doing very well, you will become exactly the same thing. So it's probably more valuable for you and for your loved ones for you to be grateful rather than to be hateful. Okay? Check out more details at getfastclosings.com. I'm Greg Luther. You'll find more details on us at gregluthercoaching.com, and make it a profitable week. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.